Next question's from Melanie, who's new to the group. She says, I have a dual career track, one in entertainment, brackets, my online marketing for this is not polished and not the priority right now, though it has been the driving force of my life. I got sick, there's a strike, I need a side biz, long story. The latter is developing my copywriting business, which I'm developing now. Should I keep these online identities fully separate with separate searchable names? Is there any way to integrate these identities into one public image? I feel very awkward and uncomfortable about all this. Thanks.
Yeah. So the copywriting and the first one was what?
Online marketing.
Online marketing. Oh, those are not so different. I think that's fine. I wouldn't worry about it's, I often say if you're a butcher, a baker, and a candlestick maker, you've got 3 different businesses. That's 3 different websites, 3 different business names. But online marketing and copywriting, I think that's close enough that the transition could be pretty smooth. I wouldn't worry about it. And just for everyone, if you're making a pivot like this, where you've been doing maybe general marketing, but like I really want to work on the copy side of the online marketing, then you probably need to announce it at some point. There just needs to be a bit of a transition, a bit of a, hey, everybody, I'm setting down this work. Here's the people I recommend you go to in my stead. And instead of that, I'm going to be doing this copywriting, and the website's going to change, in a couple of weeks. And then you can send out the email, hey, everybody, the new website's out, here it is. And so, yeah, that's what I would do. But I don't see any big concerns on that.
Okay, Melanie, keep us posted. Good luck.